Hello everyone, this is Lillian from Cuisines and Wellness. To our returning subscribers, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, you're most definitely welcome. Hit the subscribe button to join the family. I'll be sharing a simple and quite straightforward recipe on how I make this delicious finger-licking vegetable soup, commonly known as Efo-riro by the Yoruba tribe of Nigeria. It is rich in vitamins, minerals, proteins, and iron. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Let's start by getting our ingredients ready. I've got blended fresh Fresno chili pepper, tomato paste, steamed beef, fried scumbia fish, chopped fresh spinach, salt, seasoning cube, dry pepper, crayfish, mixed spice, and some blended locust beans or iru. Get a clean pot. Add a mixture of palm oil and vegetable oil into it. In most cases, people prefer using just plain palm oil. Allow it to sit for a minute on low heat. Add the tomato paste and fry until a uniform color is attained. Pour the blended pepper into the pot and fry for at least 2 minutes. The Yorubas are known for their affinity to spicy food, so they use Scotch bonnet or atarodo, also known as habanero peppers, which is 100 times hotter in comparison to the Fresno fresh pepper used here. When it's ready, add the fish, beef, including the beef broths, and allow to simmer for a few minutes. This soup is usually prepared with shaki, smoked fish, pomo, which is also known as cow or goat skin. All of this combined gives it a very tantalizing aroma, which is irresistible. But all these are not readily available here, so we had to improvise. As a chef, improvisation is the word. Work with what you have to get what you want. Now I'll be adding the crayfish, dry pepper, mixed spice, the blended locust beans or iru as the Yoruba will call it, and salt. If you notice, I didn't add water to my soup. Reason being that spinach has a high water content, so in effect, you don't add water while making it because the water will be released when cooked. So adding water will leave you with a watery soup, which, honestly speaking, isn't aesthetically pleasing to the eyes, if you know what I mean. Do not forget to add your seasoning cubes to taste. For those looking to lose weight, this soup is high in healthy dietary fiber and extremely low in calories, so I'll definitely recommend this for you. It also improves eyesight and aids digestion by loosening your bowels for those that are usually always constipated. Add the final ingredients, which is the spinach. Guys, let's take some seconds to appreciate the greenness of the spinach. Like, I feel healthy on the inside already. If you don't have access to the fresh spinach, you can purchase the frozen ones from your local supermarket. Another important thing to note is that the spinach should be the last ingredient you add to the soup. Stir thoroughly and allow to cook for at most 1 minute because further cooking of the spinach would change its color and destroy the natural nutrients in it. This vegetable soup can be served alone or with eba, semolina or manka, as we call it here in Ukraine. It can also be used as stew to be eaten with rice or pasta. If you try any of our recipes, do well to tag us via on Instagram and Facebook. The links to these platforms are in our description box below. So here you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on any of our uploads. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.